Hi, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see Zoom meeting chat history. So basically, the chat history option lets you get back through some questions and response on Zoom that you didn't read or answer, and too many other things that you might need on Zoom. So I guess it's a very useful tool to use on Zoom. Uh, Either you are joining a new meeting of your teacher or your teammates on work or anything else, or you scheduling or you creating a new meeting and you are the host. So you just need to click on new meeting and then go to the blue button start. So each of us know um, and recognize that window, the ones that familiar with the Zoom. So next, what we gotta do, what I need you to do is just to go to chat and then let's try and let's act like we have a Zoom meeting. So hi everyone. If you want to ask any questions, um, just ask. I'm here to answer. And then let's say Trevor just say, hi teacher, I do want to ask you about something. Okay, so the teacher will answer just like, alright, alright, that's a good question. So blah blah blah. All right. So let's act like we forget and we didn't focus on that conversation. So what we gotta do is to click on this 3 points and okay, it's changed. So we will go into here, this 3 points, and then we'll click on Save Chat. All right. So, how can we go back and read that conversation or that chat history of Zoom? How? So, what we gotta do is just click on Show in Folder, click on it, and then you will see the chat history just in your files. And that's it, guys. I guess that's everything, and this is the most useful tool of how to see chat history on Zoom. Anyways, guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your beloved ones and with your friends, and of course with the ones that's in need. Thank you so much, and bye bye.